Hello everyone, welcome to Subligoods TV. This is Milin. Do you know how to start your home business with 600 euros? We'd recommend you choose a sublimation business, which with high returns, low risk, and lower cost. So we provide a hobby package with a hobby press machine. Its only cost 359 euros. You need to spend around $200 to buy the sublimation inks and the sublimation printer. Then you can do the printing on the sublimation blanks. Now, let me show you how to use our hobby price to make the money now. The size of the hobby price is A4. So you can print any product which in A4 size or less than A4. Here are the sublimation blanks in the hobby package. PU wallet. It comes with blue color, pink color, and black color. This is a metal tin box. Keychain with USB. PU keychain, round shape, heart shape, and rectangle shape. HPP keychain. Refrigerator sticker, round shape, square shape, and heart shape. MDF refrigerator sticker. Compact mirror. Come with white box and PP bag. Metal keychain with the gift box. It can protect the keychain very well. This is the MDF coaster and the sandstone coaster. Heart shape. We also have round and square shape. The linen series, linen coaster, linen coin bag, linen handbag, can cooler with whirlpool, and can cooler, 2-piece. That's all sublimation blanks in the hobby package. Now let me show you how to print the metal tin box. Take off the film on the aluminum insert. Put it in the design, on the design, and use heat tape. Put the insert on the hobby price. Image face back. Close the handle. And for after-sales service, we provide a one-stop service for all of our customers. For video to show you how to print the sublimation blanks, free designs and templates if you need, online customer service to solve your problem. And for the hobby price, we supply 3 years warranty on the upper heat platen and 1 year for the parts. For the sublimation blanks, if there are any quality problem, you can return them. We will return the shipping cost to you. Please contact us if you are interested in them. Bye-bye.